Good morning, Ma.
Mommy.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Look here. Good morning, everybody. It's only Wednesday and we are off because supposedly we're gonna get some really bad snow, but let me show you how bad the snow is. Yeah, it's really bad. Nothing. Yeah, exactly. It's raining though. So
Gumagawa pa ng bahay.
oo nga, no? So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna try to cook. Well, it's not oxtail. But I don't really have all the ingredients, so I'm gonna go out, grab some string beans, eggplant. What else am I missing? I think that's about it. So let me finish my coffee, my small breakfast, and I don't know. You have anything else to say, at least for now?
Nope.
Huh? Mimo, Mimo. And so it begins. Be careful what you wish for. Heading up, grab some more ingredients, vegetables. Let's check in a couple of hours. The local produce near my house is closed, so I'm gonna head to the next one. Probably 10 minutes walk. I could use some exercise, so yeah. Living here in Philadelphia, it's a little bit cheaper, I guess, compared to California, but you do get all 4 seasons weather. Yeah. Snow looks nice. Yeah. I think again when you start cleaning up. Jeez. Alright, so I got what I need. Now I'm heading home. Start cooking. The one thing living here in Philadelphia, you don't really get to have your own driveway, as you can see. If you do work on day shift, you get home around 6 or 7 in the evening. It's tough to actually find a parking spot. So that's one of the disadvantages you have living here in the city. So yeah, it's okay. I still like this place or this city. Access to everything is really good. You know, hospital, schools, groceries, supermarkets, Asian stores, everything's nearby, so that's a positive. Yeah, I think the only downside here in the city is the parking spot, so yeah. home. Sorry about my hair. Yeah, it's really pouring hard outside, so I'm glad we don't have to work today. One thing about here in the city, you don't even have to own a car. Well, that is if you work close by. So, but in my case, I mean, I work like 30 miles from here, so I need a car. But if you work around the city, just take the bus, subway, should be good to go. No insurance to pay, no gas to spend on, saves you money. So, how was it? Did you try it?
Really good.
Yeah, it's a teamwork, so I did this one right here. She did the side.
Yep.
Taste is actually good, but you just can't find the
Really
meat. It's my first try, but not bad.
It's in here
I
somewhere.
think I know what to do next time. So yeah. Nasaan na ba yung
Ping!
All right, let's see. So damage has been done. How was it?
So good.
It's okay. Satisfied? Okay, I'm satisfied too. I can do a better job with the meat next time, but yeah, should be better next time. All right. So it's time to clean up, relax. What time is it? It's only 2:45. So just relax and enjoy the time off. Yeah.